Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Greece. Alright? And the link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, let's go. And open description and click on link and copy coupon and open voyafly.com. Alright, and click on this and write. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And click on this, open this website number one for eSIM. Alright, scroll down. Oh, unlimited 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number. Instant activation under 5 minutes. This is very good. And choose data type. And click on unlimited or fixed data. I'm select unlimited and choose a speed plane. Light, plus, premium. I'm select premium, maybe plus. Alright, and how many days do you need? 1, 3, 5, 7 days and 80k days. I'm select 30 days and sorry, and click on buy it now. Click on buy it now. Open new page and click on this discount code, this copy, and write ROAM tips and click on apply. This name my channel. Alright, order discount and total price $150.25. That's very good. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM. Alright, or write a mail, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now. And open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code and instruction for activation. Alright, and that's all. Bye bye.